A very good evening to one and all. Welcome to this session. Hope all of you are able to see and hear me. A very good evening to one and all. All right, let's get started while the students join. A warm welcome to everyone. I'm Yashasvi Santosh, your faculty member from Spark Academy for today. Today we are going to see a very important topic, matrices. I'm going to show you few important concepts in matrices and we will solve some previous year questions, some PYQs solving we will do today. We will be focusing on our JEE mains PYQs and EAMCET PYQs. In this session, make sure you share this video with all your friends who are preparing for JEE and EAMCET exam. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't, so that you don't miss out on the daily live sessions which we are having. So this is Spark Academy. We conduct classes for EAMCET, JEE and NEET. We have 3 centers, Narayanaguda, Mehdipatnam and ECIL in Hyderabad. So we have short-term course, crash course, regular course and online coaching is also available for us. We have the admissions open for that. If you haven't, you can download the app and you can call this number for all admission related details. So today's session, we are going to see about matrices. Like I told you, the idea behind these YouTube sessions are that every day, 8 p.m. onwards, 8 p.m. daily, that is Monday to Friday, we are going to have live sessions on our YouTube channel. This will help you prepare for the competitive exams. మీ అందరి ఎగ్జామ్స్ ప్రిపరేషన్ కోసం we are conducting these live sessions. So JEE mains 1 తర్వాత we are going to have daily sessions for your intermediate board. తెలంగాణ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ బోర్డ్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి ఆ సెషన్స్ కూడా మేము కండక్ట్ చేస్తాం. So this is the game plan which we are having 8 p.m. onwards daily live sessions ఉంటాయి. So this is the plan. So without further ado, let's move on to matrices concept. Today we are tackling with matrices. So we are going to talk about adjoint of the matrix, little bit of inverse, and we'll also see number of solutions based. So basically these are some of the important formulas which you need to know. I'm not going to discuss the specific details. I'm only going to give you some important formulas and we'll see how we can work out the problems given in our JEE mains EAMCET as well. So we all know adjoint of a matrix. So A inverse formula is adjoint A by det A. So you all remember the process. Andar gurtunda intermediate lo nerchukunnaru idi, that how do you find out adjoint? First you have a matrix. Then you have to find out cofactors of every element. then you have to transpose it. Once you transpose it, you will get adjoint. Appudu meeku adjoint vastundi. And once you get adjoint and find out determinant, you will get A inverse. A inverse is adjoint A by det A. Correct? Can I have some comments also, please? It will be good if you can comment. So A inverse means adjoint A by det A. So how to find out adjoint? For the original matrix, for every element you are finding out the cofactor, you are transposing it, and then you are going to get the adjoint. So when we have the IP classes, then I'm going to show you these methods as well. So this is adjoint. So first part we are going to discuss about adjoint, because we have some questions on the basis of that. So A inverse is nothing but adjoint by det. So if you want adjoint, you can send det A to the other side. So I can write it as det A into A inverse. So adjoint A whole inverse is nothing but adjoint of A inverse. So all these are okay, but these are the two formulas which you need to know. Very, very important, super important for you. Adjoint of adjoint A is det A power n minus 1 whole square, where n is the order of the matrix. Adjoint of adjoint A is det A whole power n minus 1 whole cube. So n is nothing but the order of the matrix. So determinant of adjoint A is det A whole power n minus 1 whole square. Determinant of adjoint A is det A whole power n minus 1 whole cube. And these are some of the important formulas, but these four are the main ones which we will use. Right? So this is about the adjoint part. Now this, before we go into the previous year questions, this is the Spark Academy application. So Spark Academy app is one of the best apps if you're looking to prepare for EAMCET, JEE and NEET. If you haven't downloaded, you can download our app. You have a lot of free material, handwritten notes, previous year questions, some mock tests also we are there. You also have a chat option where you can discuss with us. And with regards to the classroom coaching, we have the short term and the regular course available. We have daily on-demand live sessions, lecture videos, tests, everything in place for your benefit. This is our methodology basically. We start with basic concepts, the shortcut methods, all the models we discuss, exercise question, previous year question. This all the students presently of our long term, short term, which we just started. We are open for admissions for short term kuda, and regular and online students. Andaru ide process follow aitunaru. This is a series which we are starting from next week onwards. Next week nunchi chapter-wise tests, grand tests, test analysis ke kuda help chestamu. It's a highly experienced faculty are there. Personalized coaching, process oriented coaching. Main thing is personalized mentoring is also there here. So this is about our Spark Academy. So now let's get into problem solving. Let's solve some important problems in matrices. So first I will be solving this adjoint question. Manam second question first chuddam. So A is a 3 by 3 matrix. So order anedi 3. We already know that. Determinant of adjoint A, or this is a JEE 2023 question. JEE 2023 question. So A is a 3 by 3 matrix. So order is 3. So N is 3. Determinant of adjoint is 12 power 4. We have already seen that formula that if you have 3 adjoints and a determinant outside, it is det A whole power n minus 1 whole cube. So we can write it as det A whole power n minus 1 whole cube, that is 12 power 4. So n order manak telsu 3. हमको पता है कि order 3 है. So this you can write it as det A whole power 3 minus 1 whole cube is 12 power 4. So what else can we write here? So this is nothing but det A. 3 minus 1 is 2 cube. 2 cube is nothing but 8. Det A whole power 8 is 12 power 4. So if you want det A, I can divide by 8 on both sides. So this will get cancelled 1 by 2 times. So root 12 we are getting. So root 12 I can write it as 4 into 3. 2 root 3 will be my det A. So det A value is 2 root 3. Now they are asking us what is A inverse into adjoint A. So what is A inverse adjoint A by det A? So you send it to the other side. Adjoint A into det A is A inverse. So we know A inverse is adjoint A into det A. So I can substitute that here. So we will be getting mod of, that is determinant of, adjoint A into det A into again adjoint A we are getting. We also have a formula you can substitute here. It's given in this table here. Yep, so you can do that and you will get the answer. So this is how you can find this. The main game is to find out data here. Are you all clear, everybody? All of you? Can I have some comments if you're following, please? So this is the first question. So all we are doing is we are using the formula of adjoint of adjoint of adjoint A. With that we get the value of det A, right? So we know order is nothing but 3. So that is why we get this as final answer. Okay, now this is one important question. In one more year, they asked a question on the basis of this. Adjoint of adjoint A. They gave you the value, they asked you to find out data. So if you have two adjoints unnappudu, you can write it as mod of mod A whole power n minus 1 whole square. And here you can see here, det of adjoint A is det A whole power n minus 1. So like that you can do and you can get this. So that was the first question. Now this is the second question which I wanted to solve here based on the determinants. For these kind of questions for determinants, what you need to know are few important things. So all of you know 3 by 3 determinant, yes or no, please comment. Yes. So how do you do 3 by 3 determinant? You have a plus, you have a minus, you have a plus, and you cover this, you multiply this, you cover this, multiply, you cover this, multiply. So what if I say there's a simpler method to this? So this looks very complicated because it had n square in the n plus 1 whole square, n plus 2 whole square, and so on. So all I can do is I can just give n some value. So what you can do is you can just give n equal to 0. If you do that, this question actually becomes easy. So this is 0. 0 plus 1 whole square is 1. 0 plus 2 whole square is 4. 0 plus 1 whole square is 1. 0 plus 2 whole square is 4. 0 plus 3 whole square 9. 0 plus 2 whole square 4. 0 plus 3 whole square 9. 0 plus 4 whole square 16. So again I can give this plus minus plus. So what you can do now is, so this is plus 0 into, so I can cover this 4 into 16 minus 9 into 9, doesn't matter because it will get cancelled. You have a 0. Minus 1 into 16 into 1 is 16. 4 into 9 is 36. Plus 4 into 9 into 1 is 9. 4 into 4 is 16. So the 0 is gone. 16 minus 36 is minus 20. Minus 20 into minus 1 is 20. 4 minus 16 is minus, this is 9 minus 16 minus 7. Minus 7 into 4 is minus 28. So we are getting delta value as minus 8. So this is 2 into minus 8 is minus 16 plus 1. We are getting minus 15. So now we need this determinant as minus 15. So solve in the same way. So we will get plus 1 into 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. Minus of minus is plus 5x. This is minus of minus 4 is plus 4 into 3. Minus 3 into minus 2 is 6. Minus of minus is plus 15. Plus 7 into minus 2 into x is minus 2x minus 9. So this is equal to minus 15 is what we are getting. And if you solve this equation, we are going to get the final answer. So this is nothing but minus 9 plus 5x. 4 into, this is 21 into 4 is nothing but 84. And this is minus 14x plus 9 sevens is 63. This is also minus 63. This is equal to minus 15. So 5 minus 14 is minus 9x. This is 84 minus 9 is 75. 75 minus 63 is 12. 12 goes to the other side, minus 27. Minus minus cancelled, 9 goes 3 times, x value 3. So just by assuming n equal to 0, we can find the determinant value easily. We can substitute that value here and we can eventually find out our unknown, which was x. This was TS EAMCET 2019 question. So you just have to know how to do a 3 by 3 determinant. Just substitute a value and then simplify. Just simple things you need to do. I hope you are clear with this question as well. And this is the same type of question which we have just discussed. So all I can do is A1, or I can give A0, B1, C2. Uh, so if we do that, we can find out delta 1 first. So what is delta 1? Determinant of 1, 1, 1. 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. A cube, 0 cube is 0, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is nothing but 8. So I can just write plus 1 into, again, plus minus plus, plus 1 into 8 minus 4. So if you take plus 1, you just have to cross multiply this, right? So, and minus 0 into anything is 0, plus 0 into anything is 0. 8 minus 4 is nothing but 4. So delta 1 is 4. Let's find delta 2. So delta 2 find out, Chedam. So delta 2 is B into C. 1 into 2 is 2. B plus C, 2 plus 1 is 3. This is 1. C into A, 1 into 0 is 0. C plus A, 2 plus 0 is nothing but 2. This is 1. A into B is again 0. 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. And this is 1 again. So this is again plus minus plus. So this is again plus 2 into 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 3 into 0 minus 0 is 0. Plus 1 into, again, 0 minus 0 is 0 again. So we are getting 2 again. So delta 2 is 2. Delta 1 is 4. Answer 4 by 2. We should get answer 2. Let's see which option. So first is A into B is 0 into anything is 0. This is also 0. B into C is 2 into 1 is 2. C into A is 2 into 0 is 0. So 2 maybe. This is 0 into 1 into 2. Not possible. This is 2 times the first option. So 2 into 2, 4, not possible. This is A plus B plus C whole square. So 0 plus 1 plus 2 whole square, 3 square, 9, not possible. First option is the final answer. So in Chesamikada, we just substituted A badlu 0, B badlu 1, C badlu 2. So instead of A, हम लोग A 0 substitute करें, instead of B 1 substitute करें, and instead of C 2 substitute करें. We just found out delta 1, delta 2, very easy calculation, plus minus plus, and we have to find out the determinants. So we will get the answer easily for this. So TS EAMCET 2018 question, this was asked. So 2 questions, determinants the chesam. What do you have to do in determinants? Assume values. Assume and solve. That's the easy way to solve determinant questions. If there is only one variable like this, like n, you have to assume only n value. If there are more than one variables like this, like ABC, you have to assume values for ABC. Start with 0. So ABC, unte, you give 0, 1, 2. If you have only n, you give 0 or 1. So start with 0 always. Best assumption, you will get the answer easily. So this is about the determinants part. I hope all of you have understood this. Can I have some comments? I can see that many students have joined the session. Can I have some comments to see if you have understood? Comment cheyandi if you have understood or not. Yeah. So we are doing determinants in matrices. Very important chapter. It has a lot of weightage. EAMCET 4 to 5 questions are good matrices. In JEE mains, 1 or 2 questions they can ask in matrices. In every slot, they're asking at least 1 question, matrices law. Matrices law, determinants part and adjoint part, we are taking up today. Yes, so I hope you are clear with this. Now, coming to number of solutions. So suppose we have an equation 2x plus y equal to 4. 2x plus y equal to 5. Can you tell me, can we get x and y values satisfying both the equations? Anybody? So we have 2x plus y equal to 4 and 2x plus y equal to 5. So manaki x and y values will we know? No, right? So no solution. Why? Because LHS is 2x plus y. RHS is different. You can't have that. If would suppose if we take 1 and 2 here, 2 into 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, this equation is satisfying. But if we substitute the 1 here, 2 into 1, 2 plus 2, this is not equal to 5. So you can't have same LHS and different RHS. Now what about this? 2x plus y equal to 4, 4x plus 2y equal to 8. If you observe, second equation is just double of the first equation. That means what? These two equations are same. So there is only technically one equation unnat manaki, which is 2x plus y equal to 4. So if you have only one equation, any number of solutions are possible, right? So you can have 1, you can have 2, you can have 0, 4, minus 1, 0 point, half fractions, minus, plus, anything possible. So ilanti case lo, when the second equation can be written in terms of first equation, then you have infinite solutions. And what is the last case? When you have 2x plus y equal to 4, when you have x minus y equal to 3, these are two different equations. So you can cancel, you will get 3x equal to 7, x 7 by 3. If you substitute that, y also we will get. So that is why it is a unique solution. Simply speaking, if we have a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2, just by observing the coefficients here of x and y, we can actually determine the number of solutions, the c2 actually. So we can say if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then we have infinite solutions. We can also say if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then we can say no solution. And finally, if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, we can say unique solution. Satvik, MSET will be in May month, mostly May second week. మనకి ఫెబ్లో తెలుస్తుందమ్మా సాత్విక్, ఫెబ్లో తెలుస్తుంది ఎప్పుడుందో. మోస్ట్ లైక్లీ ఇట్ విల్ బీ ఇన్ మే సెకండ్ వీక్. So this is how you can find out the solutions. So I hope using this example you have understood how to find out these solutions part. So now let's try to work out this problem. ఇక్కడ ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారు, దే హ్యావ్ ఆస్క్డ్ యూ ది ఇన్ఫైనైట్ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ సొల్యూషన్స్ కేస్. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనకి ఈ ఈక్వేషన్లో ఇన్ఫైనైట్ సొల్యూషన్ ది పాసిబిలిటీస్ అడిగారు. సో ఇన్ఫైనైట్ సొల్యూషన్ అంటే ఏంటి? a1 బై a2 ఈక్వల్ టు b1 బై b2 ఈక్వల్ టు c1 బై c2. సో దట్ ఈస్ ది ఇన్ఫైనైట్ సొల్యూషన్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్. సో ఫస్ట్ వాట్ వీ విల్ డూ ఇస్, ఫస్ట్ మనం ఏం చేద్దామంటే, first we will try to eliminate one variable. Let's try to eliminate x. So what I will do is, this I will call it equation 1, this I will call it 2, this I will call it 3. So I will take 1 versus 2. I will take 1 versus 3. My motive is to eliminate x. So what will happen? X plus 2y plus 3z equal to 3. This is 8x plus 4y, I am taking second equation now. So second equation is 4x plus 3y minus 4z equal to 4. If I have to eliminate x, I have to multiply with 4 and then you have to subtract. 4x minus 4x 0, 8x minus 3y is 5y. 12 plus 4 is 16z. 12 minus 4 is nothing but 8. So 8 minus 3 is 5. 12 plus 4 is 16. 12 minus 4 is 8. So this I can write equation 4. Now 1 versus 3 also let's do. X plus 2y plus 3z equal to 3. This is 8x plus 4y minus lambda z equals to 9 plus mu. So this I need to eliminate 8. So I'll multiply with 8 on both sides and I'll subtract. So this and this will get cancelled. So what is this? 16 minus 4y. So this is nothing but 12y. This is 24. 24 minus of minus is plus lambda into z. Now right hand side, 8 into 3 is 24 again. You have to subtract. So this is 24 minus 9 minus mu. So now we know that if I want infinite solutions, a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2. So 5 by 12 should be equal to 16 by 24 plus lambda equals to 8 by 15 minus mu. So these are the values which you need to find out. So I can equate, and if you solve this, you will get lambda and mu. The same method you can use for this question only also. So no solution they said. So a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Here you eliminate z. So again you take 1, 2, 3. You can take 1 versus 2. You can take 1 versus 3 also. So if you do that, alpha x plus 2y plus z equals to 1. This is 2 alpha x plus 3y plus z equal to 1. So subtract, 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 cancel, subtract, 0 we are getting. So what are we getting here? Alpha minus 2 alpha minus alpha, 2y minus 3y minus y we are getting. Minus alpha x minus y equal to 0. 1 versus 3. Alpha x plus 2y plus z equal to 1. 3x plus alpha y plus 2z equal to beta. So multiply with 2 and then subtract. So we will get 2 alpha minus 3 times x. So I'm writing here 2 alpha minus 3 times x. This is 4y minus alpha y. 4 minus alpha into y. Z gets cancelled. So this is 2 minus beta. So again I can write it as minus alpha by 2 alpha minus 3 equals to minus 1 by 4 minus alpha not equal to 0. So like this you can solve now. So this is how you do the fourth question, number of solutions. So for number of solutions, మీరు just ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ ని రిమెంబర్ చేస్తే you will get it easy for your competitive exams. So this is what I wanted to discuss today. మీకు ఏమైనా questions ఉంటే మన Telegram channel you can join. Ensure you share this video with all your friends. We have covered important models have been covered. So all important models covered in the session today. We discussed matrices. In matrices, we discussed the previous year questions in adjoint, number of solutions. So, and the determinant also. Learned useful methods today. Go through this video, take the screenshots, and try more questions. Ensure you subscribe to our channel, guys. We want your support. Share it with all your friends so that we can make more videos. Any admission related queries, 8977525461. We have short term admissions open. Short term admissions open. So 8977525461 ki message cheyandi. And me telegram details are there in the chat. You can just pin it, so you can just click on it and join the telegram group. Danto interesting materials, all updates anni share chestunnamo. So short term course, tomorrow we are revealing the special prize for short term course. So avail that. We have a Sankranti offer for this. We are also starting crash course March 15th. Crash course. Short term already open. Crash course matku March 15th nunchi start. So I hope all of you are clear with this session. I thank everyone for joining this session today. In case you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us 8977525461. We are here to support you. We'll give you all the latest updates also. Thank you for joining the session. I will see you all soon. Thank you so much.